Hello everybody, so yeah, we're gonna be looking at the Vmagicmirror, and Merry Christmas everybody, or for everybody it's past Christmas, so I hope you all had a great Christmas. But anyway, when you download the Vmagicmirror, you get this folder, then you click the Vmagicmirror, so when you open it, you get this. So you get the window for your avatar, and you get all the options. So let's just remove or exit out that. Alright, so Vera models is what this program uses, and I have made a tutorial on how to make your own model. It's my very first video on how to make your own model from scratch using Veroid. But anyway, so the first thing I'm gonna do is change to English since we speak English. Next thing we want to do is upload VRM. So if you have your VRM, like I do here, I'm gonna open my character VRM. Alright, so this is my character. So now I'm gonna exit out of Loopit because I cannot use both programs at the same time, or else I'm gonna have some interference with the webcam. Anyway, as I was saying, this program does not, or you don't need a webcam for this program. You can use a webcam, but you don't have to. Personally, I would use this program without a webcam, and I would use something like Loopit, which would be better with the webcam. But if you want to see how the webcam looks, you turn this to none, and you turn on your webcam. So this is the webcam. It is kinda slow. It doesn't track very well. It's doable. But if I go too far, I lose tracking. I cannot be, literally I have to be like half a meter away. I have the ring light on as well, so my lighting is quite good. But yet my head more than half a meter away is just lost tracking. I'm gone. So yeah, so I'm just gonna use a mouse instead, which is what I recommend people use it for, with a mouse. So that's cool. Word motion. So you can put keyboard, and then you can press on your numpad to make faces, and you get these default animations as well with them too, which you can edit as well. But yeah, press 0 to reset. The view, this is like all the viewing stuff. You can disable shadow, you can disable the wind, which is your dynamic bones. As you see, they're moving, but like the wind is making them move. Turn it off, and it's not going to be moving. With the bone physics effects, the keyboard effects, like all that stuff. And for some reason, for me, if I have keyboard activated, my things won't do. I don't know why this is, but maybe it's just a program. But yeah, you get all these effects. You can hit keys and all these letters pop out, or the light, so on. I'll just do none for now. Alright, free camera. You can turn it on, and then you can move your camera around as much as you like. So, yeah, as you see, I'm moving my camera. Alright. So, to move your camera, you press your middle mouse button, which is the scroll wheel, and you can move it around. Right click to rotate, and then scroll wheel to scroll. And then you can reset position, or you can do saves as well if you want. Free layout. Now this you can move your hand around, you can move the keyboard. There it is. This one is for the gamepad. Alright, presentation like hand. This one you can point finger to something. So you can point at whatever. Screenshot. This will screenshot your avatar. Alright, this is basically all the basic options of this program. Now if we go here and we go to this window, this is all the advanced options. So there's more things you can do. Transparent window, I don't normally have this on because OBS just puts a black screen to the transparency. So I just do a green screen instead. All this motion, anyway, oh yeah, also I didn't explain what user is. User is basically, your avatar will always look at the camera. So there's that too. Arms, so you can adjust your arms and stuff here. There's also all of this adjustment you can do. Pretty self-explanatory. This is basically the motion. As you see, I'm a little bit like it's almost like I'm breathing. So if I scale this up, I'm breathing like, well, this looks more like humping. But yeah, anyway, yeah, there's that. There's the period too. That's like what stage it's on. But yeah, you can mess around with that if you want, but default works for me just fine. Camera movement, FOV. Of course, there's that too. Keyboard, we already covered that in the basic options. Gamepad. So you can make this visible and you can get a gamepad. So if I had a gamepad, you could see me moving the gamepad, like all the keys and stuff. But yeah, there's also this if you want. Lighting, pretty self-explanatory. You can do lighting if you want. Shadow, bloom, all of that. Alright, so this is something I can cover as well. So basically, all of these are the facial expressions. We need to turn them on. Happy, angry, cry, whatever I have for myself. The wave and this good is the good thumbs up and the wave. These are two animations you get. You can also do like edit them. So you click this to add a facial expression to it as well. So as you see, now if you play it, it's gonna do the joy face as well. So yeah, that's about all you need to do. Load current VRM on next startup. You can take that as well. For me, for some reason, it didn't work the first time I did it. So I had to load the VRM again. But yeah, you get it. Yeah, just save, load. And that's about all. You can do startup as well. And yeah, I hope to see you all on the next video. Or my streams. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.